Yesterday, I saw a silk scarf at the market priced over $200. I couldn't help but wonder, how could such a thin piece of fabric cost so much? That simple question took me on an eye-opening journey to the heart of China's silk industry. From traditional silkworm farms to state-of-the-art processing factories. Today, I'm taking you along to discover how one of the world's most luxurious fabrics is made. China produces over 1 billion tons of silk each year, accounting for around 70% of the global supply. This enormous output comes from billions of silkworms carefully raised across the country to spin the prized silk threads used in clothing, embroidery, home decor, and more. Our journey begins at traditional silkworm farms. Each silkworm must be carefully selected to ensure the quality of its eggs and the health of its offspring. The eggs are placed in tightly controlled incubators. Once hatched, the larvae, or baby worms, begin a rapid growth phase, feeding exclusively on fresh mulberry leaves that are chopped and served several times a day. To maintain hygiene, farmers sprinkle lime powder to sterilize the area and balance the pH. This clean and stable environment ensures the silkworms grow strong and spin high-quality cocoons. At first glance, these caterpillars might give you a fright, but beneath their fuzzy, strange appearance lies a true treasure. Not just any caterpillar can be used. Farmers must carefully choose the healthiest ones to ensure strong offspring and high-quality eggs. The female moths lay their eggs in large clusters, and farmers gently collect them, placing them in special incubation environments designed just for their needs. Soon, tiny larvae begin to emerge. These are the baby caterpillars, ready to start one of the most rapid growth journeys in the insect world. Their only fuel? Fresh mulberry leaves. Day and night, farmers chop the leaves into small pieces, feeding the larvae constantly to make sure they grow strong and healthy. But raising silkworms isn't just about feeding them. The environment must be clean, safe, and perfectly balanced. So farmers sprinkle lime powder to disinfect the area and keep the pH level just right. This simple but essential step helps protect the silkworms and ensures they grow in a healthy, stress-free space. Feeding is no small task. It has to be done regularly and by hand. Yet thanks to the creativity of Chinese farmers, tools and machines have been developed to make the process smoother and more efficient. With modern technology now supporting this ancient craft, China continues to lead the world in silk production. These innovations not only help meet the rising global demand for silk, but also raise the bar for quality and sustainability in the industry. All of it begins here, with a tiny caterpillar, a mulberry leaf, and a farmer's careful hands. When the time comes, the silkworms begin spinning their cocoons, a crucial turning point in their life cycle. Once formed, the cocoons are harvested and sorted by hand. Low-quality ones are discarded, while the best are reserved for silk extraction. During the silkworm rearing process, farmers use square wooden frames to provide a safe and stable space for the silkworms to attach themselves. The silkworms cling to the wooden grids to begin a crucial stage in their life cycle, the cocoon spinning process. Once complete, the silkworms produce beautiful silk cocoons. Each farm can harvest millions of cocoons per season. But before these cocoons can be used in the silk industry, they must go through a sorting process. Specialized equipment is used to help remove low-quality cocoons, keeping only the best ones for high-quality silk production. This task, however, cannot be fully replaced by machines and still requires manual labor. Silk companies in China purchase large quantities of cocoons from local farmers, offering attractive prices for high-quality ones. This allows farmers to earn significant additional income through silkworm farming. Conveyor belts run continuously, transporting cocoons to the sorting area, where damaged or substandard cocoons are removed and categorized. The cocoons are then boiled, which makes it easier to unwind the delicate threads while also killing bacteria and removing impurities. With skilled hands or specialized machines, the silk fibers are drawn from the cocoons and spun into long, continuous threads, often made by combining fibers from several cocoons for added strength and length. The cocoons are gently dropped into boiling water. This boiling process isn't just for softening them, it also kills bacteria and removes impurities, laying the foundation for high-quality silk. Before modern machines came along, skilled farmers with years of experience would carefully and patiently reel silk by hand. Their hands were their tools and every movement mattered. Once softened, the cocoons are fed into spinning machines. From each cocoon, a delicate silk filament is pulled and then wound into one continuous thread. Typically, a single silk strand is made from multiple cocoons to ensure the desired length and strength. Today, silk reeling machines have taken the lead, boosting efficiency and maintaining consistency in thread production. But traditional hand reeling still holds its value. In the hands of experienced farmers, manual techniques bring out a unique finesse and richness in more intricate silk fibers. These threads don't just stop at being thread. They're transformed into smooth, elegant silk fabrics, ready to become luxurious clothing, intricate embroidery, and all kinds of stunning handcrafted items. These threads are woven into premium silk fabric, soft, shiny, and uniform. From there, they become garments, accessories, or silk quilts, a signature Chinese product known for its warmth, durability, and luxury. To make a finished silk quilt, layers of raw silk are stretched, flattened, and combined into a large unified sheet, then stitched together. Each quilt undergoes a final quality check before reaching the market. In China, the making of silk quilts carries a special meaning. After being carefully reeled and spun, the delicate silk threads are treated, giving them a softness and durability perfect for quilting. Once woven, these layers of silk are joined together to form a single, smooth, uniform sheet. Each piece fits seamlessly, creating a foundation of comfort and warmth. But the journey doesn't end there. Before any quilt reaches a home, it must pass one final test, a thorough quality inspection to ensure that every inch meets the high standards of craftsmanship and excellence. A silk quilt isn't just a blanket, it's a story woven from tradition, patience, and pride. From tiny caterpillars to intricate final products, the journey of silk is a testament to patience, precision, and artistry, all made possible by the hardworking farmers and craftsmen of China. If you found this video fascinating and want to explore more incredible stories like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any magical journeys ahead. Hello, my friends. Have you ever wondered about the journey turkeys take before ending up on your plate? From high-tech farms to your dining table, there's an entire complex and passionate process behind each bite. In this video, we'll follow that journey from the very beginning all the way to when turkeys are processed, packaged and ready for consumers. It all starts with selecting the best breeding stock. On modern farms, artificial insemination plays a crucial role in ensuring both the quality and quantity of the flock. The fertilized eggs are placed into incubators with optimal conditions, where they are closely monitored throughout their development. After about 28 days, healthy turkey chicks hatch, ready to begin the next phase of their journey. During the first few weeks, these chicks receive special care in brooding areas where they are kept warm and protected. As they grow, they are moved into larger, spacious barns designed to ensure comfort and promote health. Nutrition plays a vital role in turkey development. They're fed high-quality, nutrient-rich feed tailored to each stage of growth. Modern farms also focus on providing adequate space, lighting, and ventilation, ensuring the turkeys grow strong and naturally. Once the turkeys reach the right age and weight, they're transported to processing facilities. This step is handled with care and compassion to minimize stress. Specialized transport systems are used to ensure the bird's comfort and safety during transit. At the processing plant, turkeys go through strict procedures to ensure safety and quality. For more information on modern technologies in animal husbandry and processing, please like and subscribe to my channel. These include cleaning, humane slaughter, initial processing, meat cutting, and packaging. Every step is performed under expert supervision and in compliance with strict hygiene standards. Advanced technologies are widely applied in the factories to boost efficiency and maintain product quality. Food safety is the top priority across the production chain. Turkey meat undergoes multiple inspections to ensure it's free from harmful substances and meets the highest standards. Processing facilities are regularly audited and reviewed by government agencies to guarantee food safety compliance. From carefully incubated eggs to the delicious turkey meat on your plate, there's a long journey of care, dedication, and modern technology behind it all. We hope this video brings you valuable insights. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you'd like to follow more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us on this journey.